There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up divas, what's up divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your girl A, and today we're gonna slay on a budget, okay? And Sam's Beauty got the best of the best of the best for less, okay? Now y'all know how I feel about Sensational. I am all the way team Sensational over here. Team Sensational. When I tell you I love Sensational wigs, I love them, okay? They come through slaying. The slay be slaying. The wig don't be wigging, but the wig definitely be looking good, okay? And if you like me and you love the new colors, the texture, just the bounce, girl, check out Sam's Beauty. They got everything for you, from lace fronts to bundles to hair care products, even ponytails, girl, weaving hairs too, okay? I will link everything down below for this unit right here, which is the Sensational Cloud 9 What Lace. Girl, what lace, okay? I love when it says what lace, like what lace, with natural density hairline. And she is in the color light ash brown. Glenna, I think her name is, because y'all know I can mess up a name. So let's just check her out and see what she's about, because it does say she is a 13x6, and baby, I'm here to do it like it's my B-day all day, okay? Now, y'all know I always be like, I love a good wig. I do. I really do love a good wig, because I don't know about you, girl, but a bad wig is definitely not on my roster. And I'm telling you, I promise you, you go ahead to Sam's Beauty. They will have you looking real cute on a budget with no bad wigs, okay? Glenna comes with combs inside, full 13x6. She got an elastic adjustable band that is here to stay. And she also has an adjustable strap in the nape along with the comb. I like the netting on this because you're going to be able to breathe. It's great to breathe when you're wearing a wig, girl. I don't know about you, but I don't want my scalp to be scalping. Sweating and perspiring is just not girly like. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be feminine as possible. This color is so pretty. This is like one of my new favorite colors, and I love that you can get it in synthetic wigs, and I love that you can get a good wig that has a thinned out hairline and is ready to put on, okay? I mean, of course you're gonna have to do some type of work. Don't think that the wig is just gonna jump out of the box and it's gonna slay on its own. You are the master of the slayage, girl. You, okay?
I'm dripping, finger, finger, don't stop. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Last pen 없어는 그냥 freestyle, yeah, yeah, yeah. 정답은 없어, 감맛부터 crash까지. 그 한 잔에 나 녹아내림. 쉐이크하고 삼켜, 내 맘은 teaser. 너는 부드러워 달콤해. 기분 따라 바뀌는 내 Are you in the mind? 숨기려 해봐도 다 spill. 에요 한글 돌려봄. 달콤한 내 말투에 녹아봄. 흔들어줘 내 맘을 맞춰 like so sweet. I'm dripping, finger, finger, 돌아 don't stop. Drop it, drop it, drop it. 너를 마시 위험해. 달아도 중독돼. 향해 like sugar rush. 정신 못 차리게 입에 닿자마자 뭐가 switch. 너는 Baddie English 한번만 내 세계 fade. 내 온몸에 번져 나는 pain. 너의 말 한마디에 분위기는 chill, yeah, yeah. 네 말투는 sugar 입에 감겨 feel, yeah, yeah. Shake it, push it, feel it, crush it. 감정을 위저 어서 목slap 표정 한 줄로 나를 깨. 너는 부드러워 달콤해. 기분 따라 바뀌는 내 tongue. Are you in the mind? 숨기려 해봐도 다 spill. 에요 한글 빙글빙글 머리 돌아. 잘안 비워도 안 끝나. 내게 달라지는 flavor. 한 입으로 빠져 deeper. 너는 맛이 너무 crazy. 산 위로 드랍해 감정 drip. You know I like drop it, drop it. 에요 한글 돌려봄. 달콤한 내 말투에 녹아봄. 흔들어줘 내 맘을 맞춰 like so sweet. I like it, drop it, drop it. 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 I like it, drop it, drop it.
All right, y'all, this was so easy, super quick. I think this was like a record breaker for me when it comes to a synthetic wig. What I tell y'all about Sensation, they will have you slayed each and every time. Plus, it's very helpful that this hairline has been thinned out. Girl, this wig is super duper cute. I'm loving the color. I love the fact that this is a 13x6 and you can part her anywhere. Plus, it has texture. So it's not one of those silky, 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 silky wigs. It definitely has texture. It's giving me kind of like very light yaki. Girl, this wig is definitely a must-have. Now, like I said, I have her in the light ash blonde, and she's absolutely amazing. She's stunning. This is a pretty wig. Okay. Y'all can put her up in a ponytail, and she easily styled. I like the fact that she easily styled. You don't need a whole bunch of baby hairs if you don't want to. I'm not like a huge baby hair fan, but I will put them once in a while. And I like the fact that the hair was so easy to train and flip over. I just sprayed a little bit of my water with conditioner in it and just pressed it down. You could definitely use a hot comb or a heating tool, but you definitely want to be super careful when doing so that way you don't scorch the hair. This came out so pretty. I'm so impressed at how nice this wig is. I'm loving the texture. Okay, I like the texture in this a lot. All right, and the cap does fit good. So if you're concerned about the cap fit, it definitely fits nice and snug. You can, if you have a bigger head, I would say it probably may just fit, but I feel like for me, I put the strap super tight so that way the wig will, you know, fit me because my hair is thinner, and it just works out for me. Like, this is a gorgeous unit. All right, let me show y'all the back. Girl, if you love Sensational as much as I do, and you love Sam's Beauty, then you definitely need to go ahead and get this wig. If you don't get it in this color, get it in your own favorite color. But I promise you, this Cloud9 What lace will definitely have you slayed. I will leave all of the deets down below. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe if you have not already done so. I promise you, we over here are budget baddies. I love y'all. Stay Devo and Divalicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
You can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus.